Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to make one of the most famous and flavorful dishes from Pakistan, Peshawari beef. But I'm giving it a little twist, my very own Bangladeshi fusion style. So let's jump right into the recipe, because this dish is going to be absolutely mouth-watering. For this Peshawari style beef, I took some beef, cut into small pieces, with both meat and bones together for that rich flavor. Now I'm adding 2 whole fresh garlic, some chopped fresh ginger, 2 juicy tomatoes, some green chilies, and some chopped onions. Next, I'm going to add some whole spices, a few whole black peppers, a cinnamon stick, some bay leaves, cloves, and cardamoms. Then I'll drizzle in a little bit of cooking oil and mix everything together really well so that all the ingredients combine beautifully. Once everything is mixed, I'm adding some ginger paste and garlic paste. Give it another good mix. We want every piece of meat coated beautifully with all those amazing flavors. Now it's time to turn on the stove. We'll cook this on medium heat until all the water dries out. That should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the water dries, I'll add enough water to just cover the meat. This helps the beef cook evenly and become nice and tender. When it starts boiling, I'll cover the pot and let it cook for about 40 to 45 minutes. This slow cooking is what gives that deep, rich, authentic taste of Peshawari beef. After 45 minutes, the meat should be about 80% cooked. Now it's time to add some potatoes. Make sure to peel them first, then drop them right in with the beef. We'll cover the pot again and cook for another 20 minutes. During this time, the beef will be perfectly cooked and the potatoes will soak up all that spicy, aromatic gravy. And look at that! Our delicious Peshawari beef with Bangladeshi fusion is ready to serve. The aroma is just incredible, spicy, rich, and mouth-watering. You can enjoy this with naan, flatbread, paratha, or even boiled rice. Today, I'm serving it with simple boiled rice. It pairs perfectly. Oh, and if you want to learn how to make traditional garlic naan or soft homemade naan, check out my video. I've shared a full step-by-step recipe on my channel. So that's it for today's recipe, Peshawari beef with a Bangladeshi twist. It's flavorful, tender, and absolutely delicious. Try this at home and let me know in the comments how you liked it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes from around the world with a touch of home flavor. Till then, happy cooking!